Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install pgvector in Postgres with this complete step-by-step guide in 2025. So step 1, make sure that you have PostgreSQL installed. pgvector supports Postgres 12 and above, and you can check your version using psql version. Step 2, open your terminal and install the pgvector extension. On Ubuntu or Debian, you can run this one, and then this one. Step 3. Restart PostgreSQL if needed using this command. Step 4. Now log into your database using psql or pgadmin and run this one. This will activate pgvector on your selected database. To confirm that it works, try creating a test table with a vector run column like this one. Step 6. You can now insert, search, and use vector similarity queries inside Postgres. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.